Hey guys, so today we are doing the Tatiana video setup kind of way where I'm not showing you my face, but I'm just showing you my lower body, which is good because some of you guys have never ever seen me from here to here. You only see me from here going upwards. Anyway, point of the video is to show you guys how I apply the yellow peeling oil. So you have the yellow peeling oil over here, and how they recommend to apply it in the website is by using a fan brush. Now I would recommend you get a fan brush like this one over here, which is a bit more thicker and applies more better than this one that has the animal hair. This one is not very good. I recommend you get a synthetic one like this one, or any synthetic fan brush you have. So they recommend using a fan brush because a fan brush you are able to apply in kind of like a sweeping motion and to apply it more evenly on your skin. So as you can see, my knees already look like more shiny. That means the skin is preparing to peel this side on this side as well. And I've also been applying it on my hands as well, from here all the way to my knuckles. And so how to do it, I have the yellow peeling oil here, I have my container over here, my lid. Just open it up like so. I just pour a bit of it on this lid, or you can just use any place. You can just pour on any container you have at home. I hope you can see. So just pour a bit of it there like that. And by the way, this one guys, a little bit goes a long way. And today is the last day of my application of the oil because I'm supposed to apply it for 3 days, 3 to 4 days, and 3 to 4 times per day with intervals of 30 minutes to 1 hour per application. Hope that makes sense. So just take a brush here, just gonna dip a bit of it into the product. Like I'm saying, use a synthetic brush if you can get one, a synthetic fan brush, because this one is shedding a lot on me. Just a bit of it and just swiping motions. Let me take a bit more because just in swiping motions, I hope you're showing on camera. You just sweeping motions, just like you're sweeping. And it applies so well. Try to extend like this, show you guys better. There. You just apply like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but my brush is a bit shedding. But this is the one I'm using right now. I didn't want to destroy this other one, so we're stuck with this one. So, and I recommend you don't wash your skin for 3 days. Yes guys, I know it sounds weird, but for 3 days, if you can, avoid washing your skin with soap and water, because with soap mostly, to allow the acid to absorb better into your skin for those 3 or 4 days. So for me, this is my 4th day of application, and it's the last day of me applying the acid on myself, on my skin. And now after application, you just wait for the skin to peel itself. Then again on my feet as well. Let me just show you on my feet. Let me just show you my knees first of all. There it is, applied on my knees and on this knee as well. Okay, as you can see, this area with time is gonna get darker than it is right now. It looks shiny, it's gonna get darker, it's gonna get wrinkled, then it's gonna start peeling. So from today onwards, it's gonna now start preparing to peel. So now we are doing my feet, and yes guys, I know my feet look ugly. I have corns because of wearing the wrong shoe size, but just ignore that. And they're looking darker already, and also shiny. So just a bit of just taking the fan brush and just sweeping, very easy. And with a fan brush, it even covers a more bigger area than using your hands. It's just so easy guys, just sweeping like this, you see, and you're already done with one foot like that. And then on to the next one as well, just tapping inside there and just going in sweeping motions. Make sure you're applying it everywhere. You're seeing what you're doing. I hope it's showing on camera because I'm filming, and if I'm showing well. So it's just that easy guys. And of course they give you some precautions and tips on how to peel more effectively. And you should of course always do a patch test area. They will give you instructions, guys, on how to do it, but basically I'm just giving you a demo, and here on my tattoo as well, just giving you guys a demo on how to just do it. And then you wait for like 30 minutes in between the applications, or 1 hour, depending on what is convenient for you. For me, I wait for like 1 hour because I'm just at home. But if you can just wait for like 30 minutes, and you wait for the oil to dry. You make sure it's dried up nicely before you do the second application. So for me, I apply 3 times in a day. I have applied 3 times in a day, and then I have applied it for 4 days. Today's the 4th day. So I have been applying it 3 times in a day with intervals of 1 hour each. So after 1 hour, I'll come back again when it's a bit more dried up than how it is now. You can see it's a bit wet now. So I'll come back when it's a bit dried up in 1 hour, apply another layer, wait for 1 hour again, and then apply the last layer, and we are done with this peeling business. So for now, so that's it, guys. That's just simply how you just peel your skin. It's just how you apply the yellow peeling oil. Everything very clear, and I will be updating you guys and showing you my progress. I'll be taking pictures and showing you guys how the whole process goes on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my hands and my knuckles as well, and then yeah, and I wait for the 1 hour, and I do the whole application all over again. That's it, guys. If you have any questions about the yellow peeling oil, you can always ask Shc Glutathione. And also, if you're buying this one, if you plan to buy it, make sure you use my discount code SHICO5. Use my discount code and you get a discount when you're checking out. And it's possible to buy only one bottle. Most guys are complaining that you can't find the option of only buying one bottle of it. You can simply send them an email in their email address, which I'll put down below in the description box. Email them and tell them you want to buy only like 1 or 2 of them, and that they will tell you how to do it. So it's possible, guys, to buy just one. I know buying 10 at a time for you, some of you guys, might be more costly. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, if you want to ask me about the peeling process and everything, let me know. But I can see already my skin is already gonna peel okay. It's preparing to peel. I can see the signs of peeling because I have done about full body peel before. I know how peeling happens and how you feel when your skin is about to peel. So anyway, guys, too much rambling. I hope I have shown you guys how to do it. Just that easy. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.